Hello everybody. On this video, I will show you how to fix mouse right-click lagging or slow response of mouse options menu when clicking on File Explorer. As you have seen, the menu is delayed for 5 seconds in my computer, but after applying the solution, the menu appears in less than a second. Right-click lags usually happen due to the several extensions of third-party apps that appear in the context menu. Let's see how to fix that. Download this free tool from provided link in video description. Open the tool. Click on Options tab and select Filter by Extension Type. Select Context menu, then click OK. The highlighted extensions with the beige color are extensions belong to a third-party apps that appear on the context menu or the right-click menu. So, to fix the mouse right-click lagging, select all these extensions, then disable them. After selecting all extensions, click on the red circle to disable them. Restart your computer to apply new changes. Back to File Explorer and test the right-click response. If the response returned to normal, open the tool again and enable the disabled extensions one by one until you identify the problematic one. You have to restart Windows Explorer after each disabling or enabling steps in order to apply changes. Right-click on Start icon or on taskbar to open Task Manager. Locate Windows Explorer and restart it to apply changes. If the issue not fixed after restarting, see which extension that belong to third-party app and uninstall it if you are not used frequently. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a comment and subscribe.